Hello everyone, this is High Tech Talk. So Instagram have added one more new feature in Reels tab. So now you will get the option to filter your Reels with the latest or the most viewed one. So how to use this, I will show you in my mobile screen. But before that, make sure you have updated your Instagram application. So first you need to open your Instagram application, and here you can see a reel tab. So once you will click on this, you can see here I am clicking, then you will see the arrow icon, you can see, which is coming now. So you have to click on this one. So by default it is the latest one, whatever we are posting it day to day. But if you want to see the most viewed one, you have to click on this one, and you can see the list has been updated. You can see the most viewed one here. So this is how a new feature work. Let me know if you have received this new update or not. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.